Escaping the relentless pulse of Chennai, a doctor couple sought refuge in the tranquil outskirts, discovering a verdant two-acre canvas upon which to build their sanctuary. They envisioned a home that whispered of simpler times, a two-bedroom dwelling imbued with the essence of vernacular architecture, yet possessing a timeless modernity. Studio 1x0 embraced this vision, conceiving the VIPA Farm House as a harmonious blend of nostalgia and contemporary design, a place where the rhythms of nature would dictate the pace of life. At the heart of the farmhouse lies a dual courtyard, an east-west axis that seamlessly connects the living spaces. The vibrant hub of the living room and kitchen occupies one end, while the private sanctuaries of the bedrooms reside at the other, ensuring a welcome sense of separation. Nestled between these open-to-sky havens, the dining area stands ready to embrace the joyous chaos of large family gatherings. This thoughtful arrangement ensures an intimate connection with the outdoors, where the gentle caress of morning sunlight and the earthy fragrance of monsoon rains become integral to daily life. To evoke cherished memories of village life, an intentional palette of exposed brick and cement plaster washes over the interiors and exteriors alike. This raw, honest materiality fosters a symbiotic relationship between the architecture and the interior design, where the subtle variations in each brick create an organic texture that will deepen with time. The entrance, marked by a bold cantilevered slab, offers generous shelter from the tropical sun while inviting the constant flow of the region's breezes. Inside, the living room gazes out onto the courtyard, its cool gray oxide flooring punctuated by elegant granite inlays and the innovative filler slab ceiling, ensuring a comfortable respite from the heat. Delicate strips of glass embedded within the flooring not only break the visual expanse, but also cleverly mitigate the risk of cracks. The character of VIPA Farm House is further enriched by carefully curated wooden and brass antiques, each bearing silent witness to the rich cultural heritage of Tamil Nadu. A grand 9-foot wooden and glass door beckons entry into the dining room, where the intricate patterns of Athangudi tiles from Karaikudi subtly weave in a traditional charm. The western courtyard features a striking parametric brick wall, its undulating form creating a captivating interplay of light and shadow throughout the day, while strategically blocking the harsh afternoon sun. Lush greenery flanks this textured wall, balancing the rawness of the brick and concrete. In contrast, the eastern courtyard centers around a serene Chinese ficus tree, offering a soft counterpoint to the otherwise robust aesthetic. A folding gate reveals the expansive lawn and surrounding landscape, providing uninterrupted views from the dining area and courtyards, where the gentle circulation of air creates a natural cooling effect throughout this tranquil abode crafted for a life lived in harmony with nature.